Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm super excited today. I've gotten my iPad that I ordered over a month ago, finally in by mail. Now, this is the iPad Pro 11-inch with the M1 chip in it, and I've also got an iPad Pro 12.9-inch with the M1 chip. Now, before I do the unboxing for that, that'll be in another video. I'll have the comment in the description, and before I get into all of this, I'll just like to let you guys know this channel is completely funded by me. There's no one else. If you appreciate that, all you gotta do is subscribe. It's for free and it helps the channel out. Alright, without further ado, let's have a look at this. So pretty much iPad, you know, nothing that's too different. Everything's the same, you know. And they've changed the sticker up here now, so the sticker's moved up here, and it's the 3rd gen, it says, so that's to not get it mixed up. Okay, and surprisingly they've got a power adapter. How good is that? Now let's open this up now. Nice Apple, you know, minimalistic, easy to open. Don't know why they're doing the plastic. There's a lot of plastic in the world, you know, especially that sort of plastic. How easy is that, taking it out? Okay, so this time around they've got this softish cardboard feel to it. A little tab, take it out. Okay, square shaped, same as the iPhone 12 versions. Got an iPad Pro guide, warranty stuff, and 2 Apple stickers with it as well. What else do you get? You've got the USB-C to USB-C charging, okay, and you've got the USB-C power brick. 20-watt power brick you get with it. Not bad at all. Alright, let's look at the iPad. Okay, looking at it, there's nothing much changed in the M1. It's pretty much the same, but let's do this in a gentle way without breaking everything. This is the honest, straightforward way of doing it, okay? You just gotta pull on it a little bit just to get enough to get that bit out. Hold on to that, slide it right out. Okay, so that's the beautiful space grey. How good does this grey look? It's almost black, sort of already scuffs here. Yeah. So that's the smart connector, USB-C, speakers here, mics here, cameras still down here. Okay. Other than that, that's basically it, guys. How good does this look? I'm really liking it. I can't wait to turn it on. Alright, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Thank you for staying to the end, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take good care. Bye bye.